Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change the color of your name in Clash Royale. Let's get started. So right now, if you open your profile, you'll see your name in plain white. Normally, you can change your name by tapping the three lines in the top right corner, then go to the settings and select change name under audio. Now, you get one free name change, and after that, it costs gems. Now, here's the important part. You can type color codes like C2, C3, C4. The C2 and name is red, the C4 is for blue, while the C5 is for pink. These color codes do not work with the official Clash Royale app anymore because the Supercell removed the name color formatting years ago. So if you try typing, your name will show up exactly like the code and it will not turn red. The only way you can color the names is through P Royal or the private servers, not the official game. So if you're try playing the real Clash Royale, you cannot change the color of your name in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.